Hi, I'm Lucas Cellino, President of Cellino Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, and I'm proud to say we're West New York's best-looking plumbers. Thanks to VSP Graphics Group and Al Ross Screen Printing. Al Ross makes looking good easy. Whether it's our winter jackets, service button-ups, or stylish office staff uniforms, Al Ross has us covered. Our trucks are moving billboards. VSP makes them stand out with their great design and reflective wrap. In a competitive market, it's just so important to stand out. With partners like VSP and Al Ross, we're always looking our best.